Hey YouTube, it's Mr. Nick898, and today I'm going to be doing a video on my FandyFire 900 Lumen 3 mode flashlight. It's a 1 LED, as you can tell. I got this for, I think it was $9 on dealextreme.com. They are located in China. They also have an American warehouse, and I prefer buying from the American warehouse considering this took 3 months to get here. Since then I have not ordered from them, and I have ordered another flashlight, which that's going to be in a later review, but I really haven't had an issue with them. The battery that they use is a UltraFire 18650 3000 milliamp 3.7 volt Lion battery. To focus, it's probably just because of the glare on it. There we go. As you can see, there's the number. But yeah, they're actually pretty big. As you can see in my hand, they're big. It came with the wall charger, and as you see, you can stick them in here and it'll tell them if they're charged or not. And this one is charged because it's green. If it's dead, it'll be red. And so it came with the wall charger and 2 batteries off eBay for I think around $10. So I got around $20 into this flashlight by itself, accessories and all. It does break down into 3 parts, which will be in a later video. It's got the head part, the body, and the button area. Comes with a nice little sling bracelet thing on it that you can put around your hand so it won't fall off and stuff like that. It is a 3 mode, like I said. So here we got the first mode, and it is 1 LED, as you can tell. And then we got second mode, which is light. It's making the screen act weird. And then we got the strobe. So all you have to do is barely touch the button and it'll change, and you click it all the way down for it to turn off. So that's basically the basic review of this flashlight. I will have later videos on it probably, if I get any requested videos about it or anything, or questions about it that are hard to explain over messaging. But this is Mr. Nick898. Please rate, comment, subscribe, and share it to your friends, and thanks for watching.